Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear Amazon app cache and storage. Now just follow these simple steps I'm going to give you and you should be able to do that easily. The first thing is to access your device settings. Open your device settings. This icon usually looks like a gear or a cogwheel. Everyone knows where the device settings is, I believe, on your phone. The next thing you're going to do is look for the section named apps, application, app manager, or something similar to this. The exact wording will vary depending on your phone's operating system, Android or iOS. Next, scroll through the list of installed apps and find the Amazon app. Then you tap on the Amazon app, look for a button or options labeled Clear Cache. Tap on it. This will delete temporary files that the app uses to speed up loading times, but it will not affect your login information or other app data. You can also decide to clear your storage, but this is optional because clearing storage will delete all app data, including login information, saved settings, and downloaded content. You will need to log back in and reconfigure your preferences. If you want to clear the storage, find the Clear Data or Clear Storage button and tap on it. After clearing the cache or storage, make sure you close and reopen the Amazon app. Now, why would you want to clear your cache and storage? One, maybe you want to free up your space because clearing the cache can free up valuable storage space on your device. It can also help you fix minor glitches or loading problems within the app. It also helps you improve performance because it also helps to improve overall performance and speed. Now, the exact steps that you take may vary slightly from the ones I just gave you, depending on the specific model of your phone and the version of your operating system. If you are unsure about any of the steps, it's always a good idea to consult your device user manual or contact your phone manufacturer's support. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.